Most houses built in front of a sweeping landscape try to show off the view the moment you arrive. This one does the exact opposite. First, it hides the ocean. The entrance takes us through a sheltered courtyard framed by the house itself. Only after we cross that space does the home begin to open up to the sea, the fields, and the ravine. PC21 House is located in Tunquen, on the coast of Chile, about a third of a mile from the Pacific Ocean. The land sits above its surroundings, with sunset views over the water. Instead of placing everything inside one continuous section, the house is arranged as 3 connected wings, each built around a different part of daily life. As we arrive, those 3 wings come together around an east-facing courtyard. It feels more enclosed and protected, giving away almost nothing about the landscape on the other side. Once we move past the entrance, the layout reverses. The wings open in different directions, toward the ocean, the ravine, the fields, and the sunlight from the north. The house controls when each view is finally revealed. The central wing holds the kitchen, dining room, living room, and the main terraces facing the ocean. On one side, it meets the sheltered courtyard. On the other, it opens toward the horizon. The 3 sections are connected by lower passageways. In the main rooms, the roofs slope upward toward the large openings. The second wing contains the primary suite, with a walk-in closet, a bathroom, and 2 private terraces. The third wing includes 2 more bedrooms, a bathroom, and family and game room. This keeps the 4 bedrooms divided between 2 separate wings, while the shared spaces remain in the center. Wood is the main material throughout the house. Inside, light-toned pine covers much of the walls and ceilings. Near the entrance, a darker, cedar-clad section hides storage connected to the kitchen. When we first arrive, there is almost no clue what is waiting on the other side. The 3 wings, the sloped roofs, and the courtyard create a sheltered entrance that turns inward toward the house instead of outward toward the landscape. This space does not try to impress us with the view. It works as a pause between the street and the rooms inside, protecting the entrance and keeping the ocean out of sight. Only after we cross the courtyard and step inside does the landscape begin to appear through the large openings, first in pieces, then all at once, alongside the living spaces and terraces. PC21 House could have shown us the Pacific from the very first step. Instead, it makes us arrive, enter, and move through the house before we finally find it. The ocean is not at the entrance. It waits at the end of the journey.